Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Soil and Margaritas. My name is Roxana and I am so glad that you are here today. So I have a few things going on in the garden. I am working on a flower bed that I need to remove some roses and I need to add a few bushes. If you have been watching my videos for a little bit, you know that I have the worst luck with roses. I actually got rid of a bunch of them this year that were by the water fountains, and I have a few more on a side of my house, on the east side of my house, where I have the stepping stones area, and those are going to be gone. I wasn't sure if I wanted to record this just because I had been so busy in the garden and just going, and you know it takes time to set up the cameras and microphones and all of that stuff. So halfway through I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna start recording whatever. So you'll see what I already got done. I actually removed those and I put them on the curve, and they were gone within a few minutes. So hopefully somebody's enjoying those bushes. Hopefully they'll bloom for them, who knows. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And I knew this year that I was going to get rid of all my knockout roses because I just didn't have very good luck with them. The roses that I had in this spot were there for about 4 years now, and this year I knew that I was done with them. So I'm going to show you what I got, what the plan is, unless I change my mind next year, and we'll see how that goes. I have an idea for that spot. I want to leave a huge space for some annuals for next year and future years, and I don't know how it's going to look, so we'll see. It's definitely cooler now. It's about noon right now and it's about 70. It's beautiful. I actually don't even have to have a hat because the sun feels pretty nice. But that's it, you guys. Hopefully you like this video. So I got this beautiful hibiscus. It's a French cabaret red. Beautiful hibiscus. It has these dark purple flowers. They're beautiful. So I'm going to place this right here where it's at, right here where it's standing. My idea is to let it go really tall and just to kind of trim the edges. But this little limelight right here is struggling. It's right there, so I think that I'm going to move that limelight right over here. That's the little limelight, you guys, so it's not supposed to get huge, but it will be nice if it gets like if it covers this area right here where I am. And right over here I do like this backwood where it's at, but I'm going to be moving the other backwood that I have over there right over here. See that backwood over there? That one I'm probably going to be moving it right over here. right over here maybe or so that in the summer I can have space here for annuals or other things like that. And you can't see it from here, but I'm going to be moving one of those baptisias, I think that's what they're called, right over here where this boxwood is. So just moving things around because I extended this summer. I actually extended this flower bed. I did not have any of this space here, and right now the plants are looking like they're going to be in the way for things that I want to do. So I'm just going to move them, and hopefully it's going to be their permanent home. Okay, you guys, I am finally done today. I am exhausted, but I am very, very happy on how this flower bed is turning out to be. I got 4 fine line BUCKTHORN from proven winners, and they are the new and improved variety. I am not exactly sure what the difference is from the older variety, but the foliage of these guys are just spectacular. I was looking for something evergreen, but I gotta say I'm really happy about these guys. My idea is to have like a nice wall here on the property line so that I can fill this empty spot with some tall annuals every year. And right now the plants are only about 2 to 3 feet tall. They're supposed to be growing about a foot every year, so in a couple of years they will be where I want them to be, and I am just very, very excited. The texture that they're going to be adding to this bed is just amazing. I am sorry for all the shadows and the very, very bright light, but this is the only time that I had to record this so that I could show you how this bed is turning out to be. The texture on these guys are just amazing, you guys. And then the color of the main stems are just so beautiful as well. And over here, you guys, I was going to move that boxwood right there, right about here where that stepping stone is, but I think that I am going to leave it there for right now. If you follow this path, just ignore the planter and cables and hose. If you follow the path on the other side, I do have that same hydrangea and a boxwood right there next to it, and I think that I'm going to mimic that on the other side. If I do move that boxwood a little bit more towards the right, it's just going to look awkward. But anyway, I'll probably change it next year. I don't know. I'll have to decide then. And right over here, I think that hibiscus, that red hibiscus, is just going to look so gorgeous when it's in full bloom. Right now, even those dead blooms that it has right now are just looking just so beautiful. I am very, very excited about that purchase. I mean, the blooms are just spectacular. So I decided not to put the little lime hydrangea right there where those containers are, because I feel like that plant is just going to keep on being abused by people that cross to the other side, or my dogs or my kids. So I am going to have to figure out if I want to put maybe some stepping stones there, or if I just place some containers there with some perennials or shrubs. I don't know. For right now though, I will try to overwinter those cornflowers and that Bonica rose that I got from White Flower Farm. I can't remember the name. And then that pink chiffon hibiscus as well there in that container. So wish me luck. They should be okay, but you never know. So that's it, you guys. That's all I have for you today. I hope that maybe this video inspire you to go out there and do something about your garden. Like always, I will see you until the next video.